Ooh, a bird.
Here's the thing about solving the cube. It works a bit better if you add some loops. R-U-B, I-K-S. C-U-B-E, the Rubik's Cube is the best.
What's up, cubers? So, today, something pretty exciting is happening to me. I am going to a Rubik's Cube competition. It's in Seattle, and so it'll take about an hour and a half to get there, but it's worth it. And so I'm going to bring you on this little journey with me. So, let's go. So, Sarah, you sad that you don't get to go to the competition too? So sad. It is really cold out here. I'm on the ferry right now. It's such a manly name. There's Everett over there, and there's Clinton over there. I think it's Clinton. I think. Have you ever seen that movie, The Last Mimsy? They went to Whidbey Island. They were on a ferry just like this. Ooh, a bird. Hello, bird. Yeah. For some weird reason, I got the feeling that I'd see someone I knew today on the ferry, and I did. I saw my friend Sean. So that's weird. It's very nice inside, actually. Look at that. Nice seats and everything. I gotta practice for the competition. We're here at a card store. Yay. Look at that, official timers and everything.
Okay, so raise your hand if you have never competed before in an official cubing competition. Wow. All right, yeah. Okay, that's really exciting to have a lot of new faces. Okay, so some things to keep in mind. We will call your names. You'll bring your scrambled cubes. No. Yeah, salt. I made this mistake before. Bring your salt cube, and there'll be a scorecard, and you just put the cube, the salt cube, on the scorecard with your name on it. Okay, and then the judges will scramble it with the official scramble, and then you'll be called to do your scramble. To do your salt.
So many people cubing.
Yeah.
Okay, everyone's at lunch, but I am still using a timer because I'm awesome like that. And I'm determined to get a good time. $57. Not my best. I had worse that time. 103. I know. The third time's a charm. Much better. Third time is a charm.
Ready?
Yep.
Look at that. Good job.
Almost a minute.
Yeah.
10 better. Well, I'm home from the cubing competition. Sorry I didn't get more footage. I was very busy being entertained by all those cubes. Got a cubing shirt. Oh, sorry. Why did I say that? I don't know. I already had the cubing shirt. I got it at Christmas, but I got this necklace thing. Got a Rubik's twist, so that's cool. And it was really fun. So you can head on over to that channel right there. My third channel. Hey, but you didn't know I had a third channel. Anyway, you can head over to that channel to check out the full entire video of this. Has some extra scenes and stuff, isn't speeded up and all that stuff. Fun stuff. So, I will see you next time. Until then, I bid you
goodbye.